So today I've got to set up my home studio in my new apartment. So I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of go through what needs to be done, what we need to think about when building a studio essentially from scratch. This is the room. It's a mess. The room is 3 meters by just over 3 meters. If you don't understand the metric system, it's about 10 feet in either direction. And that excludes the massive storage I have. So I can put in all the guitar cases and boxes and cables and everything else that musicians like to hold on to. But that does mean I can't put anything against the wall, because if I do, I can't open the storage. The problem I'm going to have with the room, for starters, is the balcony. There's a little balcony, which means there's glass, which means soundproofing is going to be interesting. The only consolation to that is I'm on level 6, so I'm not getting very much travel noise. The other rub will be it's a rental, so can't stick anything on the walls, so no soundproof boards. I can put stuff against it, I just can't put anything in the walls. The ceiling is staggered, if you can see that. One side is a little bit. I'm tripping over. I need to unpack. Ceiling is staggered, so we're lower on this side. So I think the desk is going to go over there, as it's a little bit lower. And then the amplifiers and everything else will go against this wall. Something else I need to think about is behind this wall is the bedroom of a 1-year-old. So I don't want to have the amplifiers here, because if I have them on and I want to play, obviously that goes straight into the room. So having the amplifiers go from here into my apartment should help a bit. I did order the aux box as well, so that should help a bit. Yeah, first thing, build the desk. Desk is done. Awesome. Alright, so desk is finished. This one is 2 levels. Got a few rack mounts in there already. Yeah, next is going to be speakers. We've also got a little drawer, or standalone desk with wheels, and that'll be for the MIDI. Awesome. Now we're going to put everything on the desk. So first bit is Scarlett 2i2, and I'll put it there, and my 2 favorite bits of the entire thing. UF8, so I can go on the left because I'm left-handed, and the UC1. Alright, so the desk is set up now. Next step, amplifiers. Last thing now, plug everything in. So the majority of the stuff is done. There's still a few guitars to be unpacked. Still need to find the soundproofing for the room. Aux box is still on its way, and a couple of other things. But for the most part, I think we're done. So we've got the amplifiers and the guitars all stacked up behind me, and then the lovely desk, just best bit. Cool. So that's all for now. If I find some more stuff, I'll add it and I'll make a video about it. If you want to see more videos like this, any reviews over the hardware or software that I use, most of this will be geared for guitarists, composers, and producers. If that's anything that you want to see, hit the subscribe. See ya.